you do best on building sites whilst juggling having to do paperwork and deliver for clients. I'm just going to go in now and I'm going to do a couple of things. I'm going to do a toolbox talk and I'll show you how simple and easy it is, remembering this is all from your smart device, and that it'll all be done right there and then. There's no internet required for this, so you can simply synchronize this at home when you get to Wi-Fi at home, or if you do have Wi-Fi, that's okay as well. So I'm just quickly hit the template and then I hit who done it on site and it was done now, and I can put in the location. I'm just going to type anything at the moment because it doesn't matter what sort of text I write in at the moment. And we're going to do a toolbox. We're doing a toolbox talk. I'm going to select the toolbox talk. We're going to do a toolbox talk on excavation because we're about to do some civil works for the day, and you can see here's what comes up automatically, and you can see we're going to what, why, do's and don'ts, etc. Actually, we're going to add another toolbox talk as well because we know that we've got some other unsafe work that has to happen here, and we're going to do some demolition work, and you can see the demolition work comes on. So I'm briefing all the team this morning on what the requirements are for safe work. Then hit next, and everyone on the job site says they're going to acknowledge what we've done, and they would simply sign your smart device there on the spot using their finger. I'm recording this on my desktop, so I'm just going to upload my signature just for demonstration purposes, and it'll be there in a second. And I put my name in there. Now you obviously have more than one guy on the field, so you can just click add and put many on there, and then you hit complete, and everyone has acknowledged, had a briefing on the toolbox talks options, and acknowledged it by way of signature. So let's just go and view that. I had this on my smart device again, export, PDF, we might need to send it off to our employer, ACC, WorkSafe, or whoever else might need to see this to ensure that we're keeping up and running a safe work site. Go in here and you can see it's all done, all in here. You can see, oops, there's the toolbox talk that we've done, and now bearing in mind QSS can work with you to make sure that these are all done to the standards that you want. We can build them for you using your information, etc., etc., or you can use the ones that we've built here in this pack here. So that was just an example of one. Now it's the same thing, a near-miss report. Let's go and do a near-miss report now, and it's very easy as well. So hit here and hit start. Something's just happened on site. We need to stop for a second and we need to record this near-miss. And it was reported by our foreman, and it was an equipment failure, and we had next. Again, remembering this is on your smartphone, no internet required, equipment failure, location, just happened now. I can take a picture straight away with my smartphone, and to capture evidence of what happened. Consequences too. Was there any treatment required? Yes, there was some treatment required. We need to do some first aid. Nature of the injury, they got a cut, and it was on their arm. So you can see everything's pre-populated, and this makes this really easy for use when you're on site. What's the improvement area? Is it a procedure? No, it's not. You can add more information here if you want to, or just click it again. Is it some training? Yes, there is some more training. We might run notes some training because there was a new guy on the site, so we write some notes down. Those two are not applicable, and we can put an action plan in that we need to do some training, and we're going to do that, by the end of the week. And again, upload your signature or sign it straight there in the spot, and we are done. So there you go, guys. There's how to do two things. That was a toolbox talk and a near-miss report on site on your smart device. Really simply, really easy. I hope this was helpful.